I'm going to be using Shea Moisture products to wash, condition and style my hair. I've already used the shampoo. So it's the coconut and hibiscus curling shine shampoo, and it's got silk protein and neem oil in it. Neem oil is really good. You usually find it in Ayurvedic treatments because it controls frizz and it tames your hair down. Unlike other Shea Moisture shampoos, this shampoo is really light and really runny. You know that squeaky clean feeling that you get when you normally use shampoos? You don't get that with this. Well, normally most Shea Moisture products don't contain sulfates in it, so for me that's why I use them a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and condition my hair with, it's the same line, so it's the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner. It smells amazing. There is also the African water, mint and ginger detox body lotion. This is interesting. This is the first Shea Moisture product I have that's not for hair. It smells really good. Oh yeah, that smells good. Anything minty I really like. I'm gonna move on to the coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie to style my hair. So we've also got the coconut and hibiscus curling gel souffle. Ooh. All the other three except the gel contain coconut and hibiscus. The gel contains agave nectar and flaxseed oil. It's basically a natural gel. Most gels contain alcohol, and a lot of people avoid using that because it dries out their hair. This is a natural gel. It says it delivers soft hold and body with a smooth afterfeel. So I'm going to section my hair into 4 and detangle each section using the conditioner. So I used to detangle my hair whilst I put the conditioner in. However, I find that I lose less hair when I detangle after I put the conditioner in. So just before I rinse the conditioner out, just because your hair is more likely to have absorbed more moisture, so it's stronger, and your hair, if it's not shed hair and if it's breakage, it breaks because your hair is weak. So when you conditioned it, it's less likely to be weak. So I'm gonna attempt to do that, see how that goes. So normally when I detangle my hair, I start off using a wide tooth comb and then I move on using a Denman brush. So the wide tooth comb basically just separates my curls easier with less breakage and allows the product to be distributed evenly along my hair strand. When I use the Denman brush clump more together, and for me that's good when it comes to styling. From my wide teeth comb and my Denman brush together, I've lost quite a bit and it's far less than what I normally get. Oh, that looks like a monster. Okay, so I've just opened the Curl Enhancing Smoothie and this is thick with a K. It's not moving. The concoction does not move when I shake the bowl. I apply leave-in and then I go in with my styler. So I'm using the curling gel souffle and the curl enhancing smoothie. So the order that I use my products is leave-in, styler, so this will be the smoothie, and then the gel. The flaxseed gel, surprisingly enough, I've never used it and it turned out to be really light, so I'll definitely be using it again. Normally how I like my styles is to have a lot of volume. I prefer volume over definition. I like to fluff up my hair near my scalp just to add volume. However, I leave my ends intact.